Hello again. We'll be making a Yule Log. It's a recipe that can be traced back to France in the late 1800s, where it's also known as the Bûche de Noël. We start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 190 degrees Celsius, and then line a Swiss roll tray with a sheet of parchment paper and grease the paper. In a deep mixing bowl, break 3 eggs and add in 3/4 cup of caster sugar. And then using an electric whisk, we're going to beat the mixture for around 6 to 8 minutes until it's thick and creamy. The Yule Log consists of a sponge roll with a cream filling that's frosted with chocolate buttercream and then made to look like a tree bark. Then in a separate bowl mix together the dry ingredients. That's 3/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder and just a pinch of salt, and then mix them well. Bring your large mixing bowl over and then slowly begin to fold the dry ingredients into the egg mix. And when everything's mixed in, add a tablespoon of warm water just to thin the mixture. And then pour the mixture into the lined tray. Ensure that it fills all the corners. Then pop the chocolate sponge mix into the oven and bake for approximately 10 minutes. While the sponge is baking, you can prepare the work surface with a sheet of parchment paper by coating it with powdered sugar. Remove the sponge from the oven and then, using an oven glove to protect your hands, flip the hot baking tray onto the prepared paper surface. And then lift off the tray and peel off the parchment on the underside of the cake. Then roll the cake along with the parchment paper and leave to cool on one side. So next we're going to prepare the cream filling. In a bowl, mix together the cream cheese and powdered sugar. When that mix becomes light and creamy, then add in the vanilla extract, so we're using half a teaspoon, and if you're using mint as well, half a teaspoon of mint extract. Blend everything well and you should have a nice silky creamy mix. To make the chocolate frosting, place a heat-proof bowl over a pan of boiling water and then add in 1 1/3 cup of dark semi-sweetened chocolate chips. Mix until you have a smooth paste and then remove from the heat. Next, add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which is also known as double cream, and whisk until it's thickened. Then unroll the sponge, which should have cooled by now, and then begin spreading the cream cheese filling all over the entire cake surface. So the cake is a little bit heavier now with the cream on there, so carefully begin to roll the cake. Your cake is now ready to decorate, so apply the chocolate frosting over the cake's entire visible surface, making sure that it's evenly coated. Now transfer your log onto a large plate or a board for the remainder of the decorating. So using the back of a fork, we're going to scrape it along the length of the whole log to achieve that bark effect. And finally, for that snow-covered effect, use a sieve and lightly dust with some powdered sugar over the top. I hope you enjoy trying out this recipe. Leave me your comments, let me know how you get on. And thank you for watching.